Hello, and welcome to our Aprilaire Humidifier Filter Replacement Guide. Today, we will walk you through the simple steps in replacing the filter on your Aprilaire humidifier. Firstly, ensure you have all the required materials: a new Aprilaire humidifier filter, a screwdriver, and a cloth or paper towel for cleaning. Before you start, turn off and unplug your Aprilaire humidifier for safety reasons. Locate the cover of the humidifier and carefully remove it using the screwdriver. This will expose the old filter in its slot. Remove the old filter and dispose of it. Take the time to clean any dust or debris covering the humidifier's housing using a cloth or a paper towel. Now please take out the new filter and insert it carefully into the slot designated to hold the filter. Make sure it fits properly without any gaps or spaces. After placing the new filter in the slot, carefully replace the cover of the humidifier and secure it with the screwdriver. Finally, plug in your Aprilaire humidifier and turn it back on to make sure that the new filter is functioning properly. Congratulations, you have now successfully replaced the filter in your Aprilaire humidifier. Make a habit of checking your filter regularly and replacing it as needed to maintain the efficiency of your Aprilaire humidifier. We hope you found our Aprilaire Humidifier Filter Replacement Guide helpful. If you have any further questions, feel free to ask us in the comments section below.